What is up, ADG traders? This is Munya and welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, so today is a Sunday and you know what we do each and every Sunday. We do market analysis, right? But before I start, I just want to remind you guys about the fraudsters that are coming on comment section and giving you a number which is supposed to be mine but it's not mine. If you want to get my number, just go straight to my Telegram channel or to my Instagram page. The links are down below in the description box only, guys. Okay, and as usual, like the video, subscribe, share it with your friends, and let's dive into our analysis. So this is a previous analysis that we did, I think, a fortnight ago, and this is how it actually came out, right? So if you followed this analysis, we actually reached our targeted price level. This is boom 1000, and for those that didn't watch this video where we did this analysis, you can go check out the video that was posted on a Sunday a fortnight ago. That is 2 weeks ago. On a Sunday, you will be able to find this analysis, and it was spot on. We talked about this level to be reached, and that's where we got to at this moment. We also talked about boom 500, and this was the analysis for boom 500. We anticipated this upward movement, and this downward movement, and this upward movement was rejected, but we later on realized we later on continued with the range and actually reached this price level. So it was not bad, and then from that price level we started heading down as predicted. Okay, also talked about crash 500, that we are going down, and you can see the downward projection that we predicted. We also talked about crash 1000, which was spot on. We talked about this reversal where we highlighted from this point, so we ended with this point, and we said price was going to reach these levels and maybe later progress, but we realized that price later then turned around this resistance level and then came back down. So today I'm going to start off with boom 500 and just highlight some key levels, and you get the signals of what we're going to be doing these coming weeks. Okay, so as usual, basic price action, I'm just going to highlight my support and resistance. As you can see, I'm in my 1 hour time frame. I'll move on to higher time frames later, but from the 1 hour time frame we can see that price has been bouncing within this support and resistance level. So obviously we expect a little more price to push to this level and then maybe start making decisions from there, right? This is from the 1 hour time frame. I'm just going to go to the daily time frame so that I show you the bigger picture of what is happening in the market. So this is what is basically happening. We have this bullish candlestick, and we also have this what do you call this, shooting star, indicating what? Indicating an upward projection, right? A reversal, a trend reversal. And the trend reversal, as we can see, is we were in a downtrend like this, right? So the reversal, obviously, we expect price to start pushing up again, as predicted from the 1 hour time frame, like I said. So basically, for boom 500, we are looking for more buy trades than sell trades. Why? Because this candlestick pattern here showed us a reversal that is coming up. We had a shooting star, and we're most likely to see a reversal to the upside. Okay, let's look at crash 500 and see what we have. I will also start from the 1 hour time frame, and from the 1 hour time frame, here is what I can see. I can see this double bottom that occurred this position, right? I can see this double position, double bottom that occurred, indicating that price is basically pushing upwards, right? Price is basically pushing upwards. Okay, and from this section only, I can see that this was a head and shoulder formation. This was the head, this was the left shoulder, this is inverted by the way, and this was the right shoulder. Okay, so now we have a head and shoulder formation, but it's basically inverted, meaning to say we expect an upward movement maybe to this key price level. As you can see, price has been respecting this level quite a number of times. So basically we expect crash 500 to be pushing upwards to this key price level, and obviously maybe back to this key area. Okay, also using maybe some trend lines, you can see that this will be an area of importance. Why? Because we can see that this top trend line has been respected quite a number of times. So basically they can either be a breakout here, or price will bounce again going down until it reaches maybe another key price level. Maybe it can even come back down to this level. Okay, let's take a look at the daily time frame for this and see what it is saying. So yeah, from uh, from the daily time frame, we can see this big bullish candlestick, which is about to form railway tracks with this other candle, with this other bearish candlestick that we have. Can you see that before this has not closed? This green candle has not closed yet, but it's most likely going to close at this level. And when it closes at that level, we now know these are bullish tracks for a bearish reversal, because we are going down and we expect that reversal to start occurring. Okay, I'm sure you guys can understand that. So as for now, with the body, with the size of the body of this green bullish candlestick, we can see that the buying momentum is still there. The buying momentum is still there, and we also had anticipated that there is a inverted head and shoulders, which means the buy has been confirmed. So we'll be looking for buy trades as we go up. Okay, let's look at crash 1000 and see what we have on crash 1000. This was the previous analysis on crash 1000, and we can see that we have an area of support in the 1 hour time frame, and we also have another key area of resistance that has been respected quite a number of times. Okay, that has been respected quite a number of times. So basically it looks like price has been ranging within this within these two price levels. Can you see that, guys? So maybe from this point we'll be able to see, to get a proper decision on whether our price is going to keep going up or will turn back down to take a reversal, right? We also have this key trend line that has been followed quite a number of times, and already you can see that price is now resisting around this key price level. So either we're going to break and go up, or we're going to continue down in this within these boundaries caused by this trend line. But let's take a look at the daily time frame and see what exactly is going to happen. Let me remove these other arrows, delete all arrows. Okay, so we have this nice support, nice resistance level, and this is what's left. What's left now is the bullish candlestick is showing great momentum. Why? Because we don't even have a bottom wick, which means buyers were in control of the market since the start of the candle. Buyers have been in control of the market since the start of the candle. Okay, so basically after such a candlestick, we expect price to keep going up. We expect price to keep going up because it doesn't have a bottom wick. And maybe let me show you a region where it once happened, so that you will be able to understand that price will keep going up after such a candlestick. All right, I couldn't find one, but basically this is what we expect from crash 1000. We expect it to keep on bullish and maybe reach this key price level before reversing or continuing in the direction. Let's take a look at crash 1000 and see at boom 1000 and see what we have. Okay, so this is the 1 hour time frame for boom 1000, and from the chart we can see that we now have a new support zone and a new resistance zone. This a new support zone and a new resistance zone. The new support zone is just above the previous support zone, and the new resistance zone is just above the previous support zone. So can you see what that means? It means boom 1000 has been bullish. Why? Because it's now setting higher highs, right? Higher highs and higher lows, which means it's in an uptrend, if you remember. But at this point we can see a clear reversal in the market. We can see a clear reversal in the market because of these type of candlesticks that we have. We can see a clear reversal in the market, and eventually the price drops, but respecting this support zone, this resistance zone, making it the new support. Price pushed up again, came back down to respect this zone again. The same thing happened, and then it came back down to respect this zone. So once price breaks this zone, we expect boom 1000 to start going down, right? We also can now tell that we have a trend line on top like this, which is being respected. We have a trend line on top like this, which is being respected. Price is failing to break through this new trend line. So we now know that price is trying by all means to be pushing downwards. So the next targeted price level will probably be this level. Probably to be this level, and from there we'll target our original price, our original support level like this. So that's all guys for today. Maybe have a great trading week. Maybe let's take the daily time frame before we go and see what we can do. So can you see now we now have consecutive bearish candlesticks, which means now the momentum is downwards. The momentum is downwards because of these consecutive bearish candlesticks. So hopefully we'll have a nice sell setup throughout the week, and we'll see what happens. Until next time.